In this video, I'm going to show you how to get product videos recorded easily for your e-commerce store. So let's just get into it right now. Hey guys, Sam here from Ecommerce.com, and today I'm going to show you how to easily get product videos for your e-commerce store. Okay guys, product videos are really important for your e-commerce store because it shows your customers so much more about the product. They're really important for improving your conversion rate, and they're fantastic because you can use them on your product page, on your website, and even in your Facebook ads. Now, I've used this tip to quickly get product videos for my store and the stores of my clients, and you don't even need to film them yourself. What we're going to do is send an email to past customers and get them to film them for us. Huh? Yep. That's right. If you already have customers, then you have people that have your product, they probably like your product, and they are ripe to give you product videos. All we're going to do is ask them to do it for us. Easy? Well, it actually really is easy. It's way easier than making these videos ourselves. They also perform way better than videos we might make ourselves because it's our target audience, our customers that are creating them. Here's how we do it. We get a list of all our past customers. We send them an email requesting a video. We offer them a gift card if they send the video. We then use these videos on our website and in our marketing. Okay guys, I'm going to show you the exact email template that I use so you can take it and use it for yourself. Let's jump into my computer and I'm going to show you exactly how I do this. Let's go. Hey guys, Sam here. I'm now in my computer and let me show you the email template that I use and you can use for yourself for getting product videos really easily from your customers. Okay, so I've just got it right here. I'll also put a link in the description. Go to my website. You'll be able to copy and paste it straight from there. It'll be super easy. So we start off by just saying, hey, customer name. You'll have their name in your actual database in Shopify. What you will do before you send these out is I would recommend downloading all your orders. Just go to your customers there, download all the customers, all the orders, and then go through and make sure you remove any of them that you don't want to send this to. Maybe some of them have complained or had an issue or something like that. You don't want to send this to those people. You want to send it to the happy customers. That just makes sense. So you're going to clean that list, basically. Just mark, I don't want to send it to these people. Get all the emails that you do want to send it to. And you can just copy and paste this email template, make a few edits. I do recommend personalizing it a little bit for your brand, and I'll show you where I would do that. And then you can send it out just manually, just in your email, Gmail, just send it out to them from your domain name email address. What I did, I like to just get, because we'll have like 500, when I do this, 500 different email addresses. I'll put them all into Klaviyo and run it as a broadcast. And then it'll just, auto add each customer name and that sort of thing. I even went so far as to put in the actual date. So it said if they purchased last year, last month, I actually put it in there so it would actually be a bit more personalized. I just wanted to go the extra mile to try and really get those reviews. But what I did here, let me just walk through the email template. So we're sending you this email because you purchased one of our products last year, and we'd love to hear about how it went. So you can edit that or you can just remove that entirely. What I would do here is go, maybe if you're selling tools. So you purchased one of our toolkits last year and we'd love to hear how it went. We're running a program this month where we're giving all past customers a $20 Amazon gift card if you let us know how it went in video format. Okay, so you're really letting them know, yep, this is a program we're running, we're doing it for a lot of people. To get your $20 Amazon gift card, just record a quick selfie video of yourself with the product. Tell us how you're using it and your thoughts. A quick 30 to 60 second video is great. Then just send it back to us via this email or send it to us as a message on Facebook here. And then you would put in a link to your Facebook. So I'm just going to put in link to Facebook. Just because sometimes they may not be able to send it. Maybe their email client won't let them send. Maybe the video's too big. They've recorded it. So you just want to have a bit of a backup there. As soon as we receive it, we'll send you your $20 Amazon gift card right away. I hope to see your video soon. Take care. Sam and the team at, and you put your e-commerce store there. Don't put Sam and the team, don't put that, put your name, of course. But that's just really, really basic email, nothing magic there. Just copy and paste that, use it for yourself. I recommend, what I've done before as well is I've actually attached in examples. So I'll say, hey, check out Ben's review here so you can see what sort of stuff we love. And just make sure it's a really authentic video, just like your best one. That's just someone with a selfie, and attach it in so that your customer knows, okay, they're not expecting studio production, Hollywood film level of review.
And this is absolutely fantastic. So yeah, really simple. Just get all the emails, send it off. You can send it off one by one, just manually. Totally fine. And you'll be surprised at how many people actually respond doing this, especially if you have a great product and a great brand already. People love to give their opinion, and it's a great opportunity to get some amazing content for your brand in one go. I also recommend, combining this with a review collection. So asking them for an actual review. So saying, what would you rate this out of 5? Or what review would you give this? And then you can actually manually add that to your store in your reviews app. So you've got a video and a review, so it's going to show up like this product has got 30 reviews or what have you, as well as the video. It's awesome, guys. Anyway, that's the strategy. That's it.
Okay guys, I hope this strategy here helps you to get those product videos really easily. Another awesome tip you can use is to implement an automated email flow that requests the video from the customer a couple of weeks after they've ordered. You could combine this with a regular review request so that you get the review and the video in one go. So it goes like this. You sell your product to the customer just like normal. Then, after they've received it, give them a bit of time to use it and enjoy it, say 1 to 2 weeks. Then you send them the email requesting some kind of video or photo and tell them you'll give them the bonus, the gift card, the incentive, if they do this. It could be a gift card to Amazon, a gift card to your own store. Just think about, what do they really want? Some of them will really send through the video just like you requested, and you just send them the gift card. You will be surprised at how many people actually send through these videos. People love gift cards, and they also love to be heard. They want to give their opinion. Plus, these videos convert really well because people go to your website and they see videos of other customers that are very similar to them recommending the product. Seriously, this is social proof on steroids. Anyway guys, I hope this video was useful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or feedback, if it works for you, leave a comment below, let me know. Also guys, if you want to learn more about growing your e-commerce store, consider subscribing. Other than that, I hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.